In this video, we're going to look at how to enter a Sparkline chart. Now, here's the deal with these. These are really just very quick, simple charts that you can use to help give your reader, your audience, a quick, intuitive view on how things are going. They're not a big deal. They happen, they're created very quickly, and so we're going to go ahead and do that. This is from your Excel Chapter 3. The instructions begin on page EX170. So one of the things that it's asking you to do in here is to make sure that both your columns B and I are viewable so that we can see them all at the same time. I've already done that. I've selected cell I13 because that's where I want to make sure that my Sparkline chart ends up in. So now what I'm going to do is go up to Insert. And there's a whole new group in here. These did not exist in 2007 or earlier versions of Office, but in this version it does. Sparklines I'm looking for. So Insert tab, Sparklines group, and we're going to insert a line. Now it wants to know the range. You know, what data do you want to include in this little baby chart that we're going to be selecting? And the range, the information is B13 through G13. I'm just left clicking, holding my mouse button down and selecting. And as soon as I let go, then then my Excel program knows this is the data, B13 through G13, that I want to include in this Sparkline chart, and I want it to be displayed in I13. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And there's my chart. The next thing that it's asking us to do in the assignment is actually format this chart so that it looks different. So we're going to look at the Sparkline Tools tab, the Design group, and we're going to look in the More button. So I'm going to click on More for Style. And it's asking us, which one does it want? Accent 1. No light or dark, Sparkline style. So I'm going to left click on that. And now I'm just going to copy this Sparkline chart all the way down through support and administrative. Actually, all the way down through operating income. So I have my chart cell selected. I've got a fill handle in the lower right hand corner. I'm going to move my selection tool until it becomes at Fill Plus. Left click, hold, and I'm going to drag all the way down. And that's it. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to fill without formatting. I don't want to get rid of all these lines that I've already put in here. So this is how you create, insert, and format your Sparkline chart in your Excel Chapter 3 Modern Music Shops project. As always, if you have any questions, give me a call.